How to turn on or turn off set motion smoothness to standard for power saving on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, and from here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down, and in here you want to tap on battery, then tap on power saving, tap on the left hand side panel. Next we go down to the display section and scroll down. From here, tap on set motion smoothness to standard. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Now here, when you tap on the toggle button to switch it off, it says that turn off limit CPU speed to 70%. To turn off set motion smoothness to standard, limit CPU speed to 70%. Also needs to be turned off. So tap on the turn off button. And that's it. If you want to switch it back on, just tap on the toggle button to turn it back on. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.